Hi my dear students, in this class we are going to learn an interesting poem, The Problems Faced by the Animals. Before going to the poem, I just want to ask few questions. Do you like animals? Which is your favorite animal? I hope you all love animals and also you have your favorite animals. Can you tell me which is the largest land animal? Can you tell me which is the largest land animal? What do you think? What's coming to on your mind? Which is our national heritage animal? Yes, it's an elephant. Do you like elephants? Yes, all of you love elephants. Everyone like the elephants. They are huge, are bulky. They have a long trunk. They have big ears and small eyes, and also they have a small tail. Now you can imagine. So this is an elephant. So in this poem about a boy who wants to keep the elephant in his house. The name of the poem is Make Room for Elephants. What do you mean by make room for elephants? He is going to build a room. He is going to build a room. No. It means he is going to make some place for the elephants. Where it is making the place? Where he is make the place? Let's see. This poem is composed by Ruskin Bond. He is a famous Indian writer. In this poem, the poet describes the size of the elephant. In this poem, the poet describes the size of the elephant. Let's see the poem. Before going to the poem, we shall concentrate on the difficult words in each paragraph. Here is the words here, children. Difficult words. Crowd. A large number of people in one place. Crowd. A large number of people in one place. Here is the sentence. There was a large crowd in the park. There was a large crowd in the park. Space. A place or an area. Space. A place or an area. Here is the sentence. There is no enough space to fit my lunch in the bag. There is no enough space to fit my lunch in the bag. Gladly. Willingly. Happily. Gladly, it's a meaning. Willingly, happily. He gladly accepted the invitation. He gladly accepted the invitation. Board. Here is the meaning. Meals or food. Hostels provide rooms and board for students. Hostels provide rooms and board for students. Now you can observe the lines. I will read it. Concentrate on the way of reading. I know the words a crowded place and elephants do take up space. But if it makes a different slot, I would gladly share my room and board. I know the words a crowded place and elephants do take up space. But if it makes a different slot, I would gladly share my room and board. In this line, in this poem, the poet, I told beginning only, the poet describes the elephant, size of the elephant. I know the words crowded place. The poet says that the small child The small child, he knows the word is full of crowded. This is a busy word. It is crowded with people all over. Crowd means it's a full of people. Lots of people living in earth. And elephants do take up space. The poet says that the elephants are huge. The elephants are huge, bulky. They are very fat. They need a lot of space. Do take up space means they take lot of space. They cover more space. But if it makes a difference lot, I would gladly share my room and board. The boy says that, the child says that, if possibly, if I get a chance, my lord, I can make difference then. I would gladly means I will happily share my room and board. Board means meal. I will share my room also, then also food. Okay children, in this paragraph, we can see the rhyming words. Here is the words place, space, lord, board. Place, space, lord, board. So now we can move to the next paragraph. Before going to the paragraph, we can concentrate on the difficult words. Garage, a place where vehicles are kept or repaired. Garage, a place where vehicles are kept or repaired. I left the car in the garage. I left the car in the garage. Kind. Kind means caring about others. Kind. Caring about others. Mother is very kind to her kids. Mother is very kind to her kids. Stay. To continue to be somewhere. Stay. To continue to be somewhere. Here is the sentence. Usha stays in the house in the rainy season. Usha stays in the house in the rainy season. Here is the word wonder. To want to know something. To want to know something. I wonder about this beautiful nature. I wonder about this beautiful nature. A baby elephant would do. A baby elephant would do. But if he brings his mother too, there is Dad's garage. He wouldn't mind. To elephants he is more than kind. But I wonder what our mom would say if the elephant's father came to stay. A baby elephant would do, but if he brings his mother too, there's Dad's garage, he won't mind. To elephant he is more than kind. But I wonder what our mom would say if the elephant's father came to stay. A baby elephant would do. The boy is thinking, the little boy is thinking, if I get a chance, if possibly for me, I would bring a baby elephant to my room. I love to bring a baby elephant to my room. I don't mind share my room, even food with the baby elephant. But if he brings his mother too, there is Dad's garage. He wouldn't mind. Here is the he. He is referred to the baby elephant. Here is the he refers to the baby elephant. Along with the baby elephant, the mother elephant also comes. Means the boy keeps the mother elephant the Dad's garage. The boy is make the place for the mother elephant in Dad's garage. To elephant he is more than kind. Here is the he refers the boy's father. Here is the he refers the boy's father. He is more kind when it comes to the elephants. He also love and kind for the elephants. But I wonder what our mom would say if the elephant's father came to stay. Now the boy is wondering what reaction comes from his mother if the elephant's father also came to the house. We have come to the end of the poem. This poem is written by Ruskin Bond. Do you want to keep elephant in your home? Think twice, children. Thank you.